Imagine you've just purchased a brand new electric car. You're excited to finally stop paying for gas, and it feels good to be contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. But then, as you head out on your first long drive, a big question arises: will the battery last the trip? The last thing you want is to worry about whether your battery will perform in different conditions, especially if you're used to the predictability of gasoline. The good news is that with the new short-blade LFP, lithium iron phosphate, battery, that worry could be a thing of the past. This isn't just another battery option, it's truly revolutionizing the way we think about safety and durability in electric vehicle technology. Let's face it, no one likes to imagine their car catching fire, but safety is a major concern with all vehicles, especially electric vehicles. The short-blade LFP battery is specifically designed to withstand extreme conditions, including situations as dangerous as fires. It has been subjected to rigorous testing simulating the worst possible scenarios. And the results are impressive. Not only did it pass the tests, but it was proven to be one of the safest batteries on the market. So when you invest in this technology, you're not just buying a battery, you're giving you and your family peace of mind knowing that safety comes first. Now let's change the scenery a little. Imagine you live somewhere that gets freezing cold in the winter. In many parts of the world, temperatures can drop so low that it seems like everything is freezing, including car batteries. Traditional batteries often struggle in freezing temperatures, losing efficiency, or even failing altogether. But the short-blade LFP battery is different. Even when temperatures drop below -30 degrees Celsius, this battery keeps running as if it were a normal day. No loss of power, no hesitation, just reliable performance. For anyone who needs a reliable vehicle in extreme weather, this battery is a real game changer. It's like owning a car that knows no limits. Whether it's scorching heat, pouring rain, or heavy snowfall, the short-blade LFP battery is always ready to get you to your destination. And what really sets it apart from other batteries is its incredible durability. Think of it as the friend that's always there for you, reliable, robust, and long-lasting. This battery is designed to last over 1 million miles. Yes, you read that right, over 1 million miles. That's enough to circle the Earth several times with the same battery. And it's not just about durability, the battery's capacity remains impressively high even after thousands of charge cycles. Unlike other batteries that degrade over time, this one holds its charge almost like new. The secret to this durability lies in its design. Instead of being made up of multiple parts like a traditional battery, the short-blade LFP uses an integrated cell design. This smart design allows the battery to store more energy, stay cooler, and work more efficiently. It's like the difference between a well-oiled machine and one held together with duct tape. The integrated design just works better, lasts longer, and delivers more reliable performance. Another outstanding feature is the versatility of the battery. Whether you're dealing with the extreme heat of summer or the freezing cold of winter, the short-blade LFP battery is undeterred. It works regardless of the climate, which is a huge advantage for people who live in areas with fluctuating weather. You don't have to worry about the battery dying in the middle of a storm or on a sweltering hot day. And here's another big plus: because it lasts so long, you don't have to worry about replacing the battery frequently. Not only does this save you money, but it also reduces the environmental impact of disposing of old batteries. So you kill two birds with one stone, you save money and you help save the planet. But that's not all the innovations. The short-blade LFP battery is designed with ultra-thin nanocarbon tubes that act like high-speed highways for ions inside the battery. This advanced design means the battery charges faster, much faster. Imagine needing a quick charge before a trip. You can go from 10% to 80% in just about 17 minutes. That's lightning fast compared to many other batteries that can take much longer to charge. Not only is this battery incredibly efficient, but its compact design is a work of art. It's shaped like a small blade, which isn't just for looks. The compact form factor actually creates more space in the car, allowing for a more spacious interior. So not only do you get a powerful battery, but you also get a more practical, more spacious vehicle. It really is the best of both worlds. Finally, let's talk about energy density, a key factor in the efficiency of any battery. The short blade LFP has an energy density of 192 W/kg. Put simply, this means that the battery can store a huge amount of energy in a relatively small space. This makes the car lighter and more efficient, uses less energy and can travel more miles on a charge. This makes for a smoother, longer driving experience without lugging around unnecessary extra weight. The design of this battery is truly groundbreaking and acts as a secret weapon that sets it apart from conventional battery designs. Unlike the typical assembly of different individual parts, which can be compared to a complicated puzzle, the short blade LFP, lithium iron phosphate, battery integrates all of its cells into a single, unified block. This optimized design is not just for aesthetics, but also offers real, practical benefits. A simpler system means fewer components that could potentially fail, which in turn reduces the chance of problems down the road. And fewer problems mean fewer headaches for the driver, right? When it comes to long-term reliability, this single-block design is a huge advantage. This approach not only makes the battery safer and more reliable, but it also improves its efficiency. With fewer parts, there are fewer points of failure, making the battery much easier to maintain. The compact design also ensures that energy is stored and used more efficiently, resulting in better overall performance and a longer lifespan. This is a huge relief for anyone thinking about the longevity of their electric vehicle, as they have less to worry about maintenance and replacement. But the versatility of this battery is perhaps its most impressive feature. The combination of compact, integrated design, co-pack technology and nanocarbon tubes makes this battery adaptable to a wide range of vehicles and energy needs. Whether you drive a compact city car or a larger, more power-hungry SUV, the battery can be customized to meet those specific needs. This flexibility gives manufacturers more options when designing vehicles and offers consumers the real-world benefits of better performance and longer range. In terms of resilience, the short-blade LFP battery has been subjected to some of the most extreme tests imaginable and has proven that it is built to handle anything. One of the most fascinating tests involved completely submerging the battery in water. At first glance, this may seem like a fairly simple procedure, but think of the consequences. This test is essential to ensure the battery is truly waterproof. No one wants to worry about leaks or power outages when driving in heavy rain, through puddles, or even in flood-prone regions. By completely submerging the battery and finding no signs of damage or deterioration, engineers showed that it could easily handle even the wettest and most humid environments. This result is a huge reassurance for anyone living in an area where the weather can change in a flash. Whether it's torrential rain, sudden flooding, or just persistent moisture, knowing your battery will be unaffected is a huge reassurance. You can drive with confidence knowing the battery will not be affected by harsh weather conditions. Another rigorous test simulated the wear and tear that can occur when driving on bumpy, uneven roads. By repeatedly scraping the bottom of the battery, engineers were able to mimic the type of damage that can occur over time in real-world conditions. Even after this stress, the battery maintained its structural integrity and performance. This shows that the battery is not only designed for ideal driving conditions, but can also handle the everyday challenges of rough terrain and uneven surfaces. Then comes one of the ultimate safety tests, the fire test. The battery was exposed to extremely high temperatures for an extended period of time to see if it could withstand the heat without catching fire or posing safety risks. And guess what? It passed with flying colors. The battery bravely resisted combustion and showed no signs of failure even in high heat. This is a huge milestone for any new battery technology as it proves that the short-blade LFP is not only reliable but also exceptionally safe. Most batteries fail in such harsh conditions, but this one didn't even bat an eyelid. It remained intact and suffered no ill effects. This resilience speaks volumes about the battery's engineering and design. To top it all off, The battery was subjected to further impact in extreme weather testing that simulated collisions, punctures and other potential damage. Even under extreme stress, it maintained its safety and performance. For anyone looking to invest in a reliable and state-of-the-art battery, the short-blade LFP design is a true game-changer. Compared to traditional lithium iron phosphate, LFP, or nickel-based batteries, the differences are clear and go far beyond mere numbers or technical jargon. What really sets this battery apart is its innovative design that revolutionizes the way energy is stored and used. While LFP and nickel-based batteries are already praised for their durability and high energy density, the short blade goes a step further and offers a superior energy storage solution with significantly faster charging time. The short blade battery doesn't just offer incremental improvements, it represents a technological leap forward. Its compact, high-density design allows it to store more energy in less space, which is critical for electric vehicles, EVs, that need to maximize range without increasing weight. The improved energy density means drivers can travel greater distances on a single charge, a benefit that is becoming increasingly important as more people switch to electric vehicles. But beyond energy density, the short blade battery has another key advantage: charging speed. While traditional batteries take up to 30 minutes to charge from 10% to 80%, this new battery cuts the time down to just 17 minutes. For the driver, that's a critical difference, as it's much more convenient for those who are constantly on the move. Fast charging means less waiting time and more time driving, which is a key consideration for electric vehicle manufacturers looking to provide an unparalleled user experience. By dramatically reducing the time required to recharge, this battery also alleviates the widespread concern of range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery power mid-trip, especially in areas with limited charging infrastructure. Now, when comparing the short blade battery to nickel-based alternatives, the superiority of this new technology becomes even clearer. Nickel-based batteries are known for their high energy density, but often come with drawbacks such as increased weight and greater challenges in thermal regulation. Overheating is a major problem with nickel batteries, which can affect both safety and performance. In contrast, the short blade battery maintains high energy density but eliminates these drawbacks. It is more compact, easier to handle, and far less prone to overheating, making it an attractive choice in the increasingly competitive electric vehicle market. For electric vehicle manufacturers like Tesla, always striving to push the boundaries of innovation, a battery that combines high energy density with fast charging is a dream come true. Consider the short blade battery that powers the Tesla Model Y Juniper. Such a combination could take the vehicle's performance to new levels, offering drivers not only greater range but also much faster charging times. This would be a huge selling point, especially as consumers demand more efficient, more powerful electric vehicles. Faster charging also means Tesla's supercharger network will be even more effective, further improving the user experience and cementing Tesla's leadership position in the electric vehicle market. Another key benefit of the short blade design is efficient use of space. By using the available space in the vehicle more effectively, this design can optimize the overall layout of the car. This could result in more room for additional components or even a sleeker, more streamlined design, an aesthetic improvement that consumers always appreciate. More efficient use of space could also help reduce production costs, which could translate into savings for consumers. Less wasted space means more opportunities for manufacturers to innovate in other areas, further increasing the vehicle's appeal. The introduction of the short blade battery also has the potential to disrupt the entire electric vehicle industry. Of course, when a new technology proves to be this effective, it sets a new standard for other manufacturers to achieve. As companies see the benefits of this battery, its fast charging, high energy density and optimized design, they will likely want to incorporate similar technologies into their own vehicles. This could move the entire industry forward and create a wave of innovation that benefits all consumers. The introduction of the short blade battery not only raises the bar for electric vehicle (EV) technology, but also sets new industry standards, making it a highly attractive option for any manufacturer looking to differentiate itself in the increasingly competitive EV market. For automakers like Tesla that thrive on innovation, the inclusion of this battery in future models could be a game changer. In particular, the upcoming Tesla Model 2 could become the perfect platform to showcase how this revolutionary battery can change the EV landscape. Looking ahead, the potential introduction of this battery in Tesla's Model 2 could truly revolutionize the EV market. This technology promises significantly improved performance, longer range, and faster charging times, three factors that have been at the heart of advancements in EVs over the past few years. The highly anticipated Model 2, rumored to be Tesla's affordable and compact EV offering, could become a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what consumers expect from electric cars. First, let's talk about performance. With this new battery, the Tesla Model 2 won't just be energy efficient, it will be a true powerhouse on the road. The improved energy density allows the Model 2 to pack more power into a smaller battery, allowing it to outperform many traditional electric vehicles. This battery not only increases the car's range, but also enables faster acceleration and improved overall handling. Expected to be more affordable, the Model 2 will also offer a performance experience comparable to Tesla's premium models. Additionally, the ability to charge much faster is another key benefit. For those who are constantly on the go, the fast charging capability of this battery will make the Model 2 incredibly convenient for everyday use. Imagine pulling up to a charging station, plugging it in, and being ready to drive again in just 17 minutes. This isn't just about saving time, it's about fundamentally changing the way drivers interact with their vehicles and making electric vehicle ownership more convenient than ever before. Range anxiety has long been a barrier for many considering switching to electric vehicles. With this new short-blade battery, that worry could be a thing of the past. Equipped with this cutting-edge battery, the Model 2 can travel much farther on a single charge, giving drivers the freedom to take long trips without constantly worrying about the next charging station. For those who frequently drive long distances, this increased range is a key benefit, giving them peace of mind and improving the overall driving experience. Additionally, for urban commuters, the increased range means fewer charging stops, making owning an electric vehicle even more convenient. Imagine being able to go days or even weeks without charging, depending on your driving habits. This is especially attractive in cities where charging infrastructure may still be evolving. In addition to the increased range, this battery's fast charging capabilities are a key selling point. Current EV batteries often take up to half an hour or more to charge from 10% to 80%, but the short-blade battery reduces that time to just 17 minutes. This is a huge step toward convenience for EV owners, especially those who rely on fast charging on busy days. For frequent travelers or those who live in areas with few charging stations, this reduced charging time is a huge benefit. On long trips, it means less downtime and more time on the road. It also reduces the need for excessive charging stops, making electric vehicles more practical for a wider range of drivers. For businesses, fleets, or families who rely on their vehicles for their daily activities, this increased charging efficiency is a critical benefit. Tesla has long been a pioneer in green technologies, and this new battery fits perfectly with the company's commitment to sustainability. Not only does the short-blade battery last longer, requiring fewer replacements, but it also has a lower environmental impact both in manufacturing and in use. This means a smaller carbon footprint and is in line with Tesla's mission to promote a greener, more sustainable future. From a sustainability perspective, the battery's durability and long lifespan mean fewer batteries need to be manufactured and disposed of, further contributing to environmental protection. As more consumers become concerned about the environmental impact of their purchases, a battery that supports green initiatives will make the Model 2 even more attractive. What makes this battery even more exciting is its potential to make the Model 2 more accessible to a wider audience. The Model 2 is expected to be Tesla's most affordable electric vehicle to date, targeting a price range that appeals to first-time EV buyers and a global market. By incorporating this advanced technology, Tesla can offer a product that combines affordability with best-in-class performance, making it easier for many to make the switch to electric vehicles. This combination of high performance, longer range, fast charging, and affordability could make the Model 2 the top choice for consumers looking to enter the electric vehicle market. As more people consider switching to electric vehicles, a vehicle that offers the perfect blend of innovation and price will be critical to mass adoption. The introduction of the short-blade battery won't just benefit Tesla, it could potentially advance the entire electric vehicle industry. When such advanced technology proves successful, it often sets a precedent that other manufacturers try to match. If Tesla delivers on the promises of this new battery, it will likely encourage other automakers to innovate in similar ways to avoid falling behind. This could accelerate the pace of EV development and bring more advanced, efficient, and affordable electric vehicles to market sooner than expected. As competition increases, consumers benefit from more options, better performance, and continued innovation across the industry. Tesla's introduction of this battery could serve as a catalyst for a new wave of advancements in electric vehicles, ultimately driving the entire industry towards greater sustainability, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. In summary, the introduction of the short-blade battery in the Tesla Model 2 has the potential to significantly change the electric vehicle market. With improvements in performance, range, charging speed, and sustainability, this battery fits perfectly with Tesla's vision of innovation and green technology. It opens new doors for electric mobility, making owning an electric vehicle more practical, accessible, and attractive to a wider audience. This exciting development is definitely worth watching, as it could pave the way for a new era of electric vehicles and further cement Tesla's position as an industry leader.